about like beauty sleep and what it does for your eyes? Well, let me tell you, we've got something for you from Dr. Kaplan right now that's actually the most different night or eye serum that I've ever seen us present here at QVC, because it's not just handling lines and wrinkles underneath the eye, it's actually doing crow's feet, it's actually removing crepiness on the lid.
Do you know what that means for when you put on your eyeshadow?
Oh, it's gonna mean everything is smooth, everything is tighter. It actually increases the elasticity. It has sold out every single time it's been on air. We did have this on last night in Friday Night Beauty, and over 2,000 orders were placed. I have fewer than 1,300 left to go around, and it is a $210 value. One of these alone is a $105 value. We're gonna talk to you all about the technology and why you want this in your beauty routine right now. You're gonna get two of them for less than the cost of one. By the way, we've got a lot of BOGOs in our show today. Free shipping and handling, $17.80, a 666409. Dr. Stuart Kaplan is here with us. Beverly Hills dermatologist extraordinaire. You work with some of the most famous people in the world, but you bring us the technologies so that we can have your science in our homes, getting the results that people would come to you for.
Yes. First of all, some of the most famous people include you.
Oh, you're so kind.
This is the most powerful eye serum you'll ever find. It's going to firm, tighten, increase elasticity, brighten, hydrate, and plump, and it does it after just the first use.
So you're gonna see instant, immediate results with this, but you're also getting long-term results as well. Take a look at your screen. You're gonna see how this technology works.
So these pearls, first of all, this liquid pearl technology is something that I created and you will not find anywhere else. It's liquid crystals surrounded by a hyaluronic acid pearl, surrounded by 3 different peptides, including our gyroline, which actually is anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. You've got my diamond contour crushed diamonds, 22 organic extracts, and 4 different types of hyaluronic acid. I will explain to you why that's critical. When you press the pump, all of these ingredients are crushed, giving you immediate hydration, plumpness, smoothness. But the most important thing, firmness, tightness, elasticity, not just for the lower eye, but for the upper eyelid as well, because that's where you actually need it the most.
So take a look at this. Now, tell us what we're seeing here, doctor, on the left versus on the right. This is just after 2 weeks of use.
This is a great overview of what my eye serum does. The upper eyelid, well, let's start with the lower eyelid. You've got crepiness, you've got lines, you've got wrinkles, and all those lines, stay on this for a little bit so I can explain everything. All these lines are of different depths and sizes. That's why I have 4 different hyaluronic acid sizes, because you need different size molecular weights to cover different size creases. Little creases need little pieces of hyaluronic acid. Large creases need the larger size. Then you've got on the lower eyelid, look again how much brighter it is in the after. That's where you've got the liquid crystal technology, which adds luminosity, radiance, glow, and brightness. Why is that important? Because that brightness means less concealer. Then look at the upper eyelids. Firmness, tightness, elasticity. That is so important because the upper eyelids are where you see the sagging. That's where you need the tightness and elasticity. Here, look at the crow's feet. You can count them on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, you can count them all the way down. They look almost like extended lashes on the left, and then on the right, they're gone.
On the right, you can't see them.
And then we've got one more before and after, doctor, that I just want to show everyone, because here, again, you're seeing, this is 360 degrees all around the eye. This is 2-week results that you're seeing on the screen, but you're going to get these results instantly. Now, we don't have a lot of these to go around. In fact, they should be $105 each. At our store today, they're $44.50 per piece. Yesterday, we started with about 3,400 of these. We now have 900 remaining. It's gonna sell out.
I mean, you see those results, but they're actually like, immediate, but instrument tested, Dr. Kaplan. It's not just like, oh, it feels nice. There's actual measurable results.
That is really so important to me. I'm a doctor, I'm an ingredient nerd, and this graphic really explains a lot of things. But you're gonna see okay, hydration, smoothness, plumpness, radiance, texture, all those things. This is a consumer perception study, but there'll be another graphic that's even more impressive. What it's gonna say, I'll wait till we get to it. But what I do is I test these independent laboratory testing, as you said. Then what I do is it's instrument tested, so these results are reproducible.
Yeah.
So what you see on the screen here, you will get at home. Then I test it on my patients in Beverly Hills. So then after those 3 steps, the 4th step, it comes to you. Here you see it. Hydration, firmness, tightness, elasticity. If you're not, by the way, if you're not treating the upper eyelid, you're missing half the problem. Now, look at the very top. Instrument testing after just 1 use.
Just 1 use.
That instrument testing is something that proves to you that this is going to work at home, and you're going to see the same results that you see in these photos.
So it's not like somebody saying like, oh, I think I see it tighter. I think it looks firmer.
Yeah.
You're going to see Stacey apply this right now. And again, here's the big difference. A lot of people, many, many creams. I've been in the beauty industry for a very long time, doctor, just like you. People say you can't put it on your eyelids, right? You can't put this on your lids. But your lids actually need the firmness, the tightness, the elasticity more than any place else.
You have to
on
put the
eye.
right formula
Yeah.
on the lid.
And that's why this is a serum, and it's meant for the upper eyelid, the crow's feet, and the lower eyelid. Lower eyelid has more cross-hatching, discoloration. That's where you need concealer. This will get brightness and get rid of the dark pigmentation. But the upper eyelids, Stacey has great eyes to begin with, but the upper eyelids are where you see the sagging. That's where you need firmness, tightness, and increased elasticity, because that's what we lose as we get older.
And imagine like not worrying about your eyeshadow skipping. Right? Or putting eyeshadow back on. Maybe you stopped doing that for years because the texture on your eyelids have changed and you didn't know what else you can do. Well, that's where we go to Dr. Kaplan. There's not very many of these to go around. Every single time this serum has been on air, it has sold out. If you use his Diamond Contour Facial, you know and love Dr. Kaplan, get the eye serum to kind of up the ante, right? Get the maximum results. The value on the duo is wild.
I know. So check out your shopping cart, because one of them should be $105. Each one of them today in our store is only $44.50, right? You're actually saving more than you're spending. You're saving $121, and you're getting only, you're paying only $88.98. Now we have fewer than 600 remaining. This is the final presentation of the month, but you can lock this in on auto delivery. Get it every 4 months for a full year. You can cancel, delay whenever you'd like. Doctor, I remember when we first brought this here, we couldn't keep it in stock. You couldn't produce it fast enough for us. We didn't even have it on auto delivery.
I don't even have it in my own office.
Yeah, there you go.
You guys have gotten all of them.
So we're gonna show you again why this has been the best-selling eye serum, and it is because of this. Look at the crepiness on the before on the lid. Look at the after. This is 2 weeks. So this is once a day or twice a day?
You can use it a minimum once a day.
Okay.
You can use it twice a day because 1, it works after just the first use, and 2, whatever else you put on after, whether it's makeups or creams or whatever, it's gonna work better. It's not gonna skip because those creases are gone.
Look at the dramatic difference that you're seeing here. Again, focused on the lid.
That's why we only showed the upper
Yeah.
eyelid, because if you're not treating the upper eyelid, you're missing half the problem.
Yeah, you really are. There, you're seeing that next before and after. You're gonna see again the crow's feet. I can count them on the left, right? 1, 2,
And how
3,
deep
4,
they
5,
are.
6, 7. On the right-hand side, they're not there at all.
That's the 4 different types of hyaluronic acid going after different size creases. Then you've got the 3 different peptides, including argireline. You've got brightening agents. You've got hyaluronic acid. You have everything, and this pearl within a pearl. I actually fly all over the world to find the one company that would make this for me. You will never find this in any other brand or in any other ingredient other than this eye serum. These pearls are not decoration. It's innovation and technology.
When you see those before and afters, it's a I'll have what she's having. Harry met Sally moment. You've got to get this home. I mean, if you want to see results in your eye serum, this is the one to use because it's also instrumental results. These are measurable results, but there's not many to measure to go around because we're getting really limited. Only about 600 to go around. normally,
fewer than
not
500.
few hundred, 500. But one bottle's like over $100. You're getting both for $88.
Yeah, so it would be a $210 value if purchased separately. This is the only place you can get it at this price with this easy pay. And you could lock it in on auto delivery, get it every 4 months for a full year. Now, we have more people on the phone lines and on QVC.com than what we have product. So if you want this, now's your chance to check out of your shopping cart immediately, 866-6409. Dr. Kaplan, always a
good to
pleasure to
see
have
you.
you on the show.
You're the
Always
best.
good to
Thank
see you.
you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
He truly is brilliant, and we are so lucky to have him